Hey guys, Jeremy here from J&B Woodwork and Design. It is that time of year again. It's fall, it's football season. Chiefs kick off the season tomorrow. It's beautiful outside. Everybody's gonna get together, having barbecues, tailgates, getting together for the game. Breanna and I have a very exciting announcement for you guys. We have been working hard and we decided to do a raffle for this football season. And in honor of the Chiefs, we came up with an idea and we created these boards right here. These are homemade, genuine cornhole boards, and we are going to be raffling them off in 2 weeks.
Chance to win these custom cornhole boards. We will be hosting a raffle over the next 2 weeks. To enter the raffle, you can visit the link in the description below. We will be selling our tickets 1 for $3 or 5 for $12. But we will also throw in 1 extra free ticket to you if you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Included in this wonderful raffle are these 2 custom Chiefs cornhole boards and regulation cornhole bags.
Alright guys, so if you are just as excited as us for this Chiefs football season, go ahead and get your raffle tickets today for these 2 boards. We had a blast building them. I really want to keep them for myself, but we decided we wanted to do this raffle to reach out to you guys. So yeah, get your tickets today. We'll be doing the drawing on the
Friday the 22nd.
Red Friday.
Red Friday.
Yup. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you drop down those in the links in the description below. All that stuff that we could say. Anything else?
Go Chiefs!
Can't wash it.
Can I take like a Tide pin or something?
No!
It's just
That's Super Bowl sauce. No, you do not take a Tide pin to a man's jersey.
Why?
Oh, boy.
Is it bad luck?
Yeah, you don't do that.
Oh, sorry.
Super Bowl sauce. That got Patrick Mahomes a Super Bowl ring.
What if that was like a game they lost at?
That was from the Super Bowl. I remember. Yeah, that's Chase's mac and cheese.